Hey, good day everyone. This is Clarita Goltiano, Diamond Master from Atomy Philippines, also a centerhead from Silang Atom Eye Center. So today we're going to talk about how to navigate your Atomy website. Yes, your Atomy online shopping mall. So if you are a new member or newly registered partner here in Atomy, this is a good lecture for you to learn and understand how our Atomy shopping mall works. Now that you're already a member, so binigyan na po kayo ng member ID, right? And password. In this lecture, we're gonna talk about exploring your Atomy website through a browser, all right? And there's a different lecture, a separate lecture, how to navigate your Atomy mobile app naman. So this is from a browser. So we go to our browser. All right, so you can type in there www.atomy.com/ph. Okay? Ayan po. So this is the interface of our website. So you can see here, there's the login and then the join us. Join us is for the purpose of registering new members in Atomy. So pag login po natin, you enter our member ID. Okay po, so yan po ay binibigay sa inyo ng inyong sponsor, the person who registered you here in Atomy. So you just type in your member ID. Napaka-importante po na memorize po natin ang ating member ID because this is our key to log in to a platform that can give us 5 million pesos a month. So who's excited for that, right? Okay, so once you enter your member ID and then you enter your password and then you just log in, okay? Now, halimbawa po, Miss Claire, nakalimutan ko po ang aking member ID or nakalimutan ko po ang aking password. So here, you can see here, find my ID or reset my password. So you can just click that one. So for the purpose of this lecture, let me go ahead and do that. So this is the next dialogue that will show. All right, so find my ID, reset my password. Kung halimbawa pong nakalimutan na ninyo ang inyong ID or ang inyong password. So you just have to supply this needed details, your name, middle name, and last name, and your TIN, your tax identification number, or the brand, the birth certificate number, which is a 13-digit characters. And of course, your date of birth. And then you just click the Find My ID and it will pop up. Ngayon, pag nakalimutan mo naman or you want to reset your password, so you can do this one, click that one, and then supply this information needed. Okay po? So, let's go back to logging in. Okay? So, ayan na po, no? So, we entered our ID, our passport, and log in. So, ayan po ang ating interface. Okay? So, lalabas po yung name. And then, next to the name is may nakasulat na open and close parenthesis TIN. This means that your account has been verified. The TIN has been verified. I-verify po yan ng Atomy Philippines to make sure that it is a legit number and for the purpose of releasing your commission once na nagkaroon ka na po ng commission dito sa Atomy, which is an exciting lecture to talk about sa mga susunod na videos po natin. Okay? And then, after that is your member ID. All right, so this is the interface of your website. So we have the shopping mall and the My Office. Naman po tayo punta sa bandang ibaba. Yeah, you can see here this 4 squares. Okay, we have the track by orders, marketing plan, resources, education center. So mamaya po, didiscuss po natin ito in details. Dito po muna tayo sa upper part portion of our website. So as you can see here, yan, may nakalagay na @G, stands for @G Mall. So it stands for the Atomy Global Mall. Alright, so this is another platform of Atomy provided for overseas partners. Dun po sa mga countries na wala pa pong Atomy branch, okay? So they can access the products or they can buy Atomy products through @G Mall. So if we're gonna click that one, we'll quickly go to that. Yan, Atomy Global Mall, all right? So, ayan. So, you can choose the shipping location. So, hindi pa po lahat available, ano? So, basically, these are the countries where at Gmall can be accessed or enjoy Atomy products. Ayan. So, we have Australia, Cambodia, Canada, France, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Italy, ayan, Japan, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, people from Mongolia, meron na po palang branch doon, ano? And then New Zealand, Philippines, Portugal, Singapore, Switzerland. Yeah, the people from Switzerland, kahit wala pa pong official branch doon, but through Atomy Europe and Switzerland, yan, makaka-enjoy din po dyan. Alright? And the rest. Okay? So, let's say, yan, we're ordering from at Gmall, okay, based in Korea, going to the Philippines. And then, the currency, you can choose for the conversion, ano? So, syempre, pipiliin natin ang Philippine peso. And then, we just confirm. Alright. So, then you just browse the available products that you'd like to purchase. Okay. So, let's say in beauty. Ayan. So, makikita po natin, yan, meron ditong, it's the newest, the sunscreen line. So, we have the Atomy Fresh Sun Lotion. So, ayan po yung PV, yan. And then, the price in Philippine money. So, that's 1,255. Okay? And so on. Yan. Pipili lang po natin ang gusto natin dyan. And then, we go through the usual add to cart, and then check out. Okay, so this is a separate lecture din po yan. Okay, we have a separate video about at Gmall. Okay, so going back, dito na po tayo sa CH Atomy. Yan, makikita natin in the top right corner of our website. Ayan, CH Atomy stands for Channel Atomy. It's like the equivalent of YouTube channel, okay? So, anong meron dito sa Channel Atomy? Okay, so we're clicking that one. Alright. So, ang makikita natin dyan ay mga videos, lectures, photos, alright? So, it's a compilation of all the available materials, educational materials that can help us in our Atomy business. Okay? So, ayan, this is the available materials in Philippines, Channel Atomy. Yan, pag tumingin tayo sa Atomy lectures, yan sa ating seminars. So, let's say product introduction. So, we want to learn more about Atomy products. Ayan po. So, ayan, this is yours truly, product introduction. Yan. And then, so pipili lang po tayo ng gusto nating panoorin. Ano po? Okay, so let's just click this one. Alright, so on this side, you can share this to your different platforms available like Facebook. This is the X or Thread or the Twitter before. And you can share it in the band or you can copy the link and paste it in your social media accounts or in Messenger, okay? So, ayan po. So, you can also download this one. Ayan, you can download the video so you can play it in your Teams meeting. Pwede rin ng MP3 audio lang. And then, ayan po, no? So, just easily share it, okay? So, napakaganda kasi we have available materials provided for us to really learn about Atomy. Okay po? So, one more thing that I like in this Channel Atomy, okay, is, yan, yung business resources. Kasi po, alam niyo po, no, sa previous company ko, kanya-kanya kaming gawa ng mga materials. Kami pa ang nag-translate, you know, for our prospects, non-English-speaking countries, ano? So, kanya-kanya kaming gawa ng lecture, ng contents. Ang hirap, but here with Atomy, it's already provided for us. The company made these lectures, these contents. All we need to do is just plug and play and share this to our prospects, for our partners, okay? So, ayan po, mayroong mga tutorial, alright, how to enjoy the Channel Atomy, and then yung payment options here in the Philippines. Alright, ayan, may mga poster tayo. So, let's say, click natin ito. So, we can have this printed and displayed in our house or kung meron kayong center. So, ayan, no? So, napaka-ganda kasi meron ng high resolution poster that we can use. Okay, to share. Ayan, share lang din po natin yan. Alright? So, all you need to do is just download this. So, ayan, nakalagay po dyan. So, click lang natin yan and then it will be downloaded. And then you can upload it, use it anywhere you want. Okay? And meron din syempre mga lectures about our company, about Atomy. Alright? So, we have our company profile. And then we have lectures of CEO. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa, di ba? Andito na po talaga. It's a curation of lectures, videos, materials that can help us learn more about Atomy. And ang maganda dito is that you can also go to different countries, different channel Atomy ng iba't ibang Atomy region, okay? So, let's say we want to go to the branch of Atomy America at Atomy USA, okay po? So, pupunta lang po kayo dun sa pinakadulo. Alright? Alright. So, ang dami pong lecture. Yan. So, you can see here this drop-down menu. And then you just select the country that you want to go to. And you will have access, instant access, free access to the lectures in that particular country. So, let's say, punta tayo ng Atomy USA. Ayan po, no? So, we get to see the lectures that they do there through their, mga seminars, okay? Then sa products, minsan kasi may mga products na wala pa sa Atomy Philippines, okay? So we can go there and learn about it. Ayan, so may mga PowerPoint presentation there. Ayan, marketing plan, product resources, so let's say marketing plan. Ayan, so available po yung mga PowerPoint presentation that we can just easily download and share it or use it for discussion in your Teams meeting, okay? So, ayan po, maganda siya kasi ayan, meron ng Korean version, may Chinese, may Spanish version. So, because you know, in USA, it's a melting pot. There's so many nationalities there. So, ayan, readily made available na ni Atomy. We just plug and play. So, isn't that awesome, right? Okay. Now, let's go. So, that's what the channel Atomy is all about, okay? Okay, now, ito po, no, dito naman sa, ayan, makikita natin, yan, may drop-down menu din. Alright, so these are the different Atomy branches that we can do the business with, okay? So, right now, we have 27 countries, but if you open the Atomy Europe, sa Atomy Europe po, there are over 14 countries that you can access through Atomy Europe. So, ayan po yung Spain, France, Portugal, Switzerland, Croatia, and other countries. Okay? So, ayan po. Ano naman ang purpose nito, no? So, even if you're in Atomy, you're in the Philippines, okay, and let's say you have partners in the Philippines or you have prospects or relatives who would love to try Atomy products, so you can easily enter this portal by switching. So let's say meron ka pong kaibigan sa Australia, okay? May kamag-anak ka sa Atomy sa Australia. They want to try the Atomy products. They want to order. So lipat ka po ng portal by clicking this drop-down menu and select the country that you want. So as we were training here, so we went to Australia, okay? We selected Atomy Australia. Alright, so ang mga available products dyan ay yung mga products available in Australia. Okay? So, ayan, naka-member price, naka-Australian dollar. Okay? So, ayan po. So, all we need to do is click that product. Okay? And, ayan po, may description sa ilalim ng products, no? So, this is information that we can really learn what product is all about, and napakaganda po talaga, absolute quality and absolute price. All we need to do is just try it. Okay? So, ayan po. So, after that, you can share this. Ayan. You can click buy now or add to your shopping cart. Okay? You can also print the product details. So, maganda yan, ano? So, you can download or print it. Okay. So, let's go back to Philippines. Ayan. So tapos na po tayo dito sa at Gmall. We're done with the Channel Atomy and going to the different portals or different Atomy branches by clicking this drop-down menu. So, pag-usapan na natin itong shopping mall. Ayan. So, when we click this shopping mall, ayan, makikita natin the different categories of Atomy products. So we have the Hem, our flagship product, and then we have the health category, the beauty, personal care, home, food, and more. So let's go to beauty. Siyempre, gusto natin ng beauty, di ba? Alright, so basically, the Atomy online shopping mall products are daily needs. Okay, mga daily needs po natin from head to foot, mga everyday na ginagamit po natin. So this really something, there's really nothing new from what we're using from our old brand, okay? It's just that dito, ibang brand lang. Okay. So the Atomy online shopping mall curates daily need products. So, yung mga araw-araw na nating ginagamit, okay po? It's just that ibang brand lang yung ating gamit before. Now, we switch Mart to Atomy online shopping mall and we get to enjoy absolute quality and absolute price products na tayo ay makakatipid and at the same time can earn money for our pocket out of our spending. So, this is our spending where we turn it into earning. Okay, so ito na po yung shopping mall natin, ano? So, yan. So, every products, makikita natin yan, yung can add the quantity, so you can add plus like that, okay, or then add to cart, okay? So, halimbawa, napili natin itong Hydra Brightening Care Set, so we can add to cart, ayan, item has been added to your cart, and if you want to learn more about this particular product, so you just click this one, ayan, it gives you the details like how much it is, and then how much is the PV. PV stands for the point value. So, dito po nakadepende ang ating commission. Okay? So, basically, it's points. Like, when you're shopping in this biggest commercial mall here in the Philippines or in other gasoline station or even in coffee shops na meron ng mga point system. So, it's the same basically. Alright? So, ayan po, no? And then, if you go at the product details, ayan, makikita po natin yan, discussion of what this product is about, okay? So, ayan po, no? So, maganda kasi provided na ni Atomy ang ganitong mga information that can teach the consumers how good the products are, okay? So, let's say gusto po natin yan, so you can make it as a heart or parang wish list, ayan. And then, you can add to shopping cart. Ayan. So, selected item has been added to your cart. You want to go to the cart. So, I would like to continue shopping. Not yet. Okay, continue shopping. And then, ayan, makikita ninyo may instruction and then review. So, let's go for review. Alright. So, merong nag-review, no? 5 stars. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Okay. So, we can try the review system here. So, once a review is uploaded, it cannot be modified. So, to see my reviews, you go to My Atomy and My Reviews. So, 5 stars, ayan, it means very satisfied. And then, 4 stars, somewhat dissatisfied, somewhat satisfied. And kung hindi ka naman satisfied talaga, you're very dissatisfied, then 1 star. So, you just click this one. For the shipping, yan, you can click this one, the shipping payment or the exchange rate, exchange or return policy. Yan, so for the shipping, so the shipping period will usually ship within the 4 to 6 working days upon receiving the payment. So delivery time may vary depending on the area and circumstance. Like, halimbawa, may bagyo, ayan, okay? Or doon sa lugar na yon, yun na nga, binagyo. So obviously, the transportation is really difficult. It's very challenging. Ayan, unexpected weather, temporary out of stock, overweight order, unmatched order number payment, or incorrect address. So those are the causes that may delay your delivery. So ito naman, pagdating sa shipping. Alright, so based on your location and fees, ayan, so for the Luzon, except the NCR, so the minimum for free delivery is 5,000. So if the total amount of your order is worth 5,000 in single transaction, okay, so you are qualified for a free delivery. Door-to-door na po yan. Okay? Otherwise, kung hindi, less than 5,000 pesos po ang order mo, then your delivery fee is 156, and then additional 52 pesos for every additional fee per kilogram. Okay? So, the same follows with Valenzuela, NCR, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay po? So, change shipping address. Ayan. So, in terms of the payment, ayan, nakalagay na rin po yan ng mga guides, okay, for paying. And then, if case you wanna cancel the order, ayan po, nakalagay din dyan ng ways to do that, as well as the return and exchange policy. Okay? So, it's all provided there. Alright, so let's say we're done shopping, okay? So, ayan po, makikita natin dito sa gilid, shopping cart. Ayan, so let's click. Ayan po, napakadami kong added in my shopping cart, ano, mga wish list ko. So, then you just select the one that you like to purchase. So, let's say, ito po ang gusto ko. So, you can either click this one, or so let's say, bibili mo to lahat ng nasa shopping cart mo, so you just click this one. Alright, and automatically, checks all the dialect boxes. Okay? So, let's say, deselect naman. Ayan. So, then you can remove the selected items, yung ayaw mo siyang bilhin. Alright. So, let's say this is the one that we want to purchase. Okay? So, ayan. So, makikita natin, there's one total selected product. How much? Okay? And the point for this is 25,000 points. Ayan. So, order selected items. Click lang po natin yan. And then, so lalabas po yung details, ano, order payment. So, you have one quantity, okay, isang order of Atomy Hydra Brightening Care Set. And then, it shows how much and the total points. So, let's go to the customer information. So, kanino ba ito? Account. Alright, so that's the name of my husband. And then, the date of purchase. So, when you click this drop-down menu, meron pong tatlong dates that you can choose from. Okay? So, pwede pong i-order yan na, let's say, yung date kahapon ang gagamitin mo, or today's date, or gusto mong i-advance tomorrow. So, basically, ito pong pagpipili ng mga dates works really well when you are doing the Atomy Challenge, which will be in a different video as well. Okay? Discuss po yan sa part ng marketing plan. Okay, pero if just a regular or normal order, no need to change the date. So today is August 20, 2024. Okay, and then you just provide the mobile number and then email address. Alright? Ayan, naka-default na po kasi, no, kaya hindi na po ako nagta-type. And then for the sender's name, alright. Now, in terms of the delivery information, all right. So, sa delivery information po, no, first is you will choose what mode of delivery, okay? Anong option po ninyo? It could be a new delivery address. When we talk about this one, it means door-to-door po siya, okay? Pag pinili naman po, education center, so like us, we have silang Atom Eye Center. So, dito po binabagsak yung Atomy orders nila. And it's gonna be free delivery, okay? No shipping. So, all you need to do is just pick it up. Or, pag pinili mo naman yung pickup center, this is also free delivery, no shipping fee. This one is located in Quezon City. So, kung taga Quezon City ka, it's just close by, then you choose this one. Okay, and then, you will also provide the recipient name. So, sino ba ang nag-order niyan? So, let me just put my name there. And then, my cell phone number. And then, my address. So, naka-default na po kasi yan, ano? So, kaya hindi na po ako nagta-type. And then, for the city, you just search the location. Alright, so this is in Region 4. Okay. And, yeah. Alright. Okay. And then, for the memo delivery, you can write there, ASAP, All right, or you can put there, leave it to the guard. All right. Or you can write it there, please call before delivery. So basically, mga note po ninyo. Just like sa ibang shopping platform where you leave a note to the rider. Okay? So then you just continue it. Okay? So you already have your order payment here. So pagbabayad na po, ano? So for the order information, you just double check. Okay? If the information are correct, like the phone number, okay, your email, who's receiving the order, alright, the address. Ngayon, ito po ang mga options for the payments. So, you can choose straight from your debit or credit card or installment payment through BDO credit cards only. So, kung may BDO credit card ka, ito po ang pwede mong piliin. And if you choose this, you have 3 months installment payment. So, which is really nice para sa atin na lalo na kung nagcha-challenge po kayo, ano po? Or you can go with the GCash option, Maya, or bank deposit and online bank transfer. Pwede rin po ang PNB bills payment. Okay? So whatever you choose, whatever suits for you, whatever works for you, convenient for you, you choose which one you like. So let's say pinili niyo po ang GCash. Okay? So, this is the total. Now, since pinili po natin yung new address, meaning diretso po dun sa bahay, ano po, as you can see here, may delivery fee. Pero pag pinili po natin yung center, education center, here the delivery fee will be 0 because it's free. Okay? So, let's say, do you agree with all information given above? So, you just click, yes, I agree. And then you click check out now. And then, you will go to the, ayan, sa GCash. Okay? Now, you have 15 minutes to make the payment. So, ayan po, continue payment. And then, you will be transferred to the GCash portal. So, like, ayan, click mo lang po yung number, and then you go to the next, and then the one-time PIN will be sent to you, and just like the regular GCash transaction. Okay po? So, tapos na po tayo. Nakapag-place na po tayo ng order sa shopping mall natin. Ano? But, more about our shopping mall. Okay, dito po sa gilid, yan, may makikita po kayo dito yan. Order history, shipment tracking, quick order, or chat support. So, ayan, meron pong chatbot si Atomy Philippines. So, let's say, i-click mo lang po yung chat support, then, you will be brought to Messenger. May chatbot po tayo dito, no? And then, you just go directly and communicate with Atomy Philippines through Messenger. Ayan, okay po. So, may mga prompt na lalabas po dyan. Okay po? Let's talk about this one here, the order history. So, dito mo po makikita yung mga previous order mo po, ano? Ayan. So, you can track this for about 1 year. So, ayan po. In 1 year, ito po yung mga nabili. Yan. So, makikita nyo po lahat ng order history mo. Okay? In your shopping. Okay? So, ayan po. Ayan, meron po akong canceled order. Ayan. Kamali lang po kasi yan ng pag-place ng order. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Ngayon, dito naman po sa shipment tracking. So, let's just say you've just placed an order. Alright, and it's been 5 days and hindi pa dumarating, no? So, you can track, okay, nasaan na ba ang iyong order? So, dahil, yan, dito wala po tayo nakita dahil tapos na yung mga transactions. So, kung tapos na, may lalabas po dyan, okay, yung kailan in order, and then the order number, okay, and the delivery tracking, okay, dito po ninyo makikita yan. So, quick order naman, is if you already know the product code ng in-order ninyo, so you just type in there, okay? And then, ayan po, piliin lang natin yan kasi mabilis ang order, okay po? So, ito naman ay bihirang gamitin, okay? So, we're done navigating about the shopping mall. So, dito naman po tayo sa My Office. Okay, so what is My Office? What's the purpose of My Office? So, this acts like your accounting. Okay, so this is the business side of your Atomy platform, yung Atomy Shopping Mall. Okay, so ayan po. Dito makikita ninyo kung anong category ka na, alright? So here you will see your mastership. Ayan, Diamond Master po kami. And then, kung agent ka ba or exclusive distributor, which depends on your personal PV. Okay, so, syempre first timer ka pa lang or newbies here in Atomy, yung nagtataka ka, what is PV? So, PV is point value, which is in every product sa Atomy. Lahat po ng binibili natin sa online shopping mall ay may point equivalent. So, dito po yan nakadepende yan if we buy through our shopping mall, our own shopping mall. So, ang tawag po dyan ay personal PV. So, ayan, my total PV. Ayan, nakikita po ninyo yan. And then, meron po tayong tinatawag na group PV. Ito naman yung mga points accumulated from your group, from the consumers under your network, under your group. So, sila po yung mga bumibili sa ilalim mo. Okay po? Our structure is binary. So, we have left and right group. So, ayan po, no? This is accumulated within the day. So, for today's PV, ayan po yung mga points na pumasok in my left and in my right group. So, ito po, i-compute po ito ng system, the computer. So, if it has reached a certain number of points that qualifies you for a commission, then you will get a commission. So, tignan naman natin itong dito sa gilid. Ano po? So, my purchase record. Ayan. So, this means your own purchases. Okay po? So, makikita niyo po yan also within 1 year of record keeping. Okay? So, ayan po, no? So, makikita niyo dyan yung mga binili niyo for the whole year. Okay? Alright. Sunod naman ay my commission record. Yan. So, naka-record din po magkano ang kinikita natin sa Atomy. And this is also a 1 year keeping records, okay? So, ayan po, no? So, from August 20, 2023, and then until now, August 20, 2024, ayan po, makikita ninyo yung mga commissions na pumasok sa aming account. And nakakatuwa kasi, imagine you're earning from shopping. Can you imagine that? Kumikita ka habang gumagastos because you know, you get paid from brushing your teeth, from shampooing your hair, for washing your clothes, washing the dishes, from drinking coffee, for putting makeup, making beautiful, all right, for being healthy. You get paid from your daily needs, from your daily activities. Isn't that awesome? All right? So, all you need to do is just switch your mark, change your mark. Kung dati po bumibili ka sa grocery stores, sa supermarket, sa palengke ng iyong mga daily needs, switch to Atomy Mart, your online shopping mall, and you get rewarded from this. Okay? So, this is a good example of passive income because you earn without you actually working for it. Okay? So, yun yung premise na passive income, ano? After the work is done, then the money is coming, alright? Even if you're sleeping, ayan, sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, okay? If you don't make a way to earn money while sleeping, then you will be working for the rest of your life. And of course, we want to enjoy life, right? Kaya, we want to have a lifestyle freedom. We want to have time freedom to be with our family, with our friends, enjoy family occasions, you know, your friends, meet up with your friends, all right? But kung tali ka sa trabaho or nagkukumahog ka sa paghahanap ng income, you know, because you're working 9 to 5, you're busy with your business, traditional business, then it's hard to have a time freedom, okay? Kasi you need to work, right? You need to work or you need to go abroad, work abroad, leave your family, your children back home para humanap ng income. So, it's difficult, but if we can have a way to make money while being with your family, while having freedom, time freedom, di ba? napakagandang gawin yung ganong klaseng business, okay? Where the money keeps coming even if you don't directly work for it, okay? Because it's a passive income, not active income like from a job or traditional business, okay? That will be a separate lecture as well, a different video, okay? So, ayan po, ano? So, we're so grateful and blessed to have income from Atomy for barely 2 years of doing the business. Seriously, yes. So, ito na, general commission. So, dito mo naman malalaman, okay, if you're close to earning your commission, okay? So, ayan, may dates po yan, no? So, let's say you want to check. So, usually po, no, sa Atomy, merong 15-day cycle. So, 1 to 15 of the month or 16 to end of the month. Okay, so we are now in the second cycle of the month. So, August 16, ayan, hanggang August 20. And then we just search. Alright, and it will show there ang ating general commission record if we'll be qualified na for a commission. Okay, so ayan po, makikita po natin left and right group points. So, ayan po, no? Meron ng 8 million PV on our left and on our right, we have 174,000 points. So, sa marketing plan po natin, kapag ito po ay, ang right namin, pag ito po ay naka 300,000 points, then we will be qualified for a commission on the rates of 300,000 points. So, since yung ating left ay 8 million na, so sobra-sobra na po yan, ano? It just keeps on accumulating, waiting for the lower leg, okay, for your weak leg to reach that amount of PV na kailangan, the required PV to earn commission, which is 300,000 points nga. So, what will happen if ito po ay maging 300,000 points? So, then you will have a commission. Alright? So, what happened if itong points naman ito, itong right ay umabot ng 700,000 points? So, based on our personal PV, we are qualified for the 700,000 points commission level. So, then mas mataas ang commission na makukuha natin. Okay? So, can you imagine you earn money from just using your Atomy toothbrush, Atomy toothpaste, okay, nagpaganda ka using Atomy products, you become healthy by taking Atomy food supplements like Chemohim, Omega-3, Spirulina, Vitamin C, okay, and the rest, okay, there's really nothing different from what you're using before, okay, umiinom ka na niyan, dati siguro, no, it's just that ibang brand lang. So, ang ginawa lang natin is we switch to Atomy Shop, we switch to Atomy products, alright? And we get compensated for using this brand, okay? Dito naman po tayo. So, my group purchase record. Yan. Dito naman natin makikita ang mga taong bumibili under our group. So, we have binary structure, di po ba? So, we have our left group and right group. Available for 1 month record keeping. So, let's say, ayan, gusto nating malaman ngayon sino ang mga bumili from August 16 to 20 and then we just click the search. Ayan po, makikita mo rin kung ilang points na, no? Simula nung August 16, as I was saying, there's 2 cycles, no? 1 to 15 and then 16 to end of the month. So, dito po, no, sa left natin, makikita natin from August 16 until August 20, ayan, sa left po natin ay meron ng 7,700,000 plus point value. Okay? Sa right naman natin ay meron pang 111,540 points. So, maganda palakasin natin ito, no? Palakihin natin yan para laging malaki ang ating sales commission and also helping our partners grow their Atomy business as well. So, let's say, gusto mong makita lang yung left leg mo or yung right leg mo. So, we just click this one, all view here. Yan. Okay, so you can select just the left leg. So, lalabas lang lahat ng left people who bought under your organization. So, o kaya naman yung right. Okay, and then search. So, ayan po, lalabas lang lahat ng mga tao mo under your right group na bumili during this certain period. Yan. So, it's really amazing because, you know, from other platform, you know, other buying club, okay, where you pay to become a member. Dito po sa Atomy, wala pong bayad to become a member. Alright? So, sa ibang platform po, no, sa ibang buying club, buyers club, yung points po ay na-enjoy nila, yung points lang po nila. Alright? But here in Atomy, lahat po ng under your organization ay magkakakabit. We are in a system of buyers. Alright? That we get rewarded. Basta po nandun tayo sa system. And we get to enjoy 100% points ng mga taong na nasa ilalim po natin. Okay? We enjoy all of these. Okay? So, tingnan po natin, no? For example, ito pong sa left group ko po. Ayan. Meron po akong mga mostly Koreans. And then we have, ayan, tingnan natin. May from Japan, Cambodia, I have from Europe. Ayan, as you can see here. These people, okay, I am enjoying the points from their purchases, from their shopping, okay? And I don't know these people. I didn't recruit them. I didn't register them, okay? But since they are under my organization, I get to enjoy their points, their shopping, 100%. Tinamaan po yung lineage ko, no, all the way to the top. So how generous that compensation plan is, di ba? And the same way na kapag may binili rin po ako, lahat ng binili ko, even the people under my organization, lahat po ng binili ng Philippines. Okay? And then, ng mga Philippine customer. And then, yung mga nasa taas ko po, no? They are from Korea maybe, or USA, or Cambodia, Japan. They also get to enjoy the points from my purchases, di ba? So, we get to help each other. We get to help the economy of these countries. So, you'll never know among these shoppers, you are helping a single mom, all right, you are helping a student, you are helping a nearly broke employee. So, hindi natin alam, or maybe you're helping a senior people, you know, na, you know, from using this Atomy shop, using Atomy products, okay, you turn your spending into earnings. So, it's really, really a blessing, this kind of compensation plan, di ba? Now, let's talk about the lineage. Okay? So, sa lineage naman, dito mo makikita ang mga tao mo under your organization. Okay? So, ayan po, no? Ayan. So, you get to see the people under your lineage. Ayan. Pag ibig sabihin po niya ng kulay gray ay mga, ano na po yan, mga expired na. Kasi dapat po within 1 year, yung shopping mall po ninyo ay mabilhan nyo po yan. Okay, within 1 year. Otherwise, you will be out of the system and your account will be expired. So, it's either you can register again. So, sayang naman kung nauna ka na, ano po, yung placement mo. Sayang naman yung mga tao na under your organization na, and then you go at the bottom kasi you will register again. So, sayang naman. And also, kung may mga points ka na, so once your account expires, then these points will also be gone. So, sayang naman. Okay, so keep your account active. Maintain it by just buying at least once in a year. Can you imagine that? Isang beses mo lang bibilhan sa loob ng isang taon. But I guess that is really impossible. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman isang taon ka lang magtutoothbrush. Hindi naman isang taon ka lang mag-shampoo. Hindi naman isang taon ka lang maglalaban ng damit, right? Meaning, all our daily activities involved, okay, yung mga needs natin dyan, we can get it from Atomy Shopping Mall. So, you might as well, since you're gonna buy this anyway, so you might as well shop it in your own shopping mall account. Ang pangit naman na meron kang sariling tindahan, pero sa iba ka pa bumibili, di ba? So, you have to support your own shopping mall because this shopping mall can give money into your pocket, right? So, I'd like to invite you to watch the next video to learn about the Atomy marketing plan. Kasi napakaganda po talaga. It's an absolute marketing plan that can change a lot of people's lives just by switching their mark, just by switching the products that they're using. Now, let's talk about these 4 features as I've mentioned earlier. Okay, so ito pong track my orders. Ayan po, dito natin malalaman ang kalagayan ng ating mga order. Kung kamusta na po ba, ano ang latest update with that. So, pag click po natin yan, ayan po makikita natin. Ayan. Okay, so I placed an order September 3. Ayan po, makikita ninyo ang order number. Importante po yan that we get a copy or we take note of this just in case na may mga problems po tayo dito or issues or let's say delayed delivery or merong product issues which is very minimal naman po no, sa history ng Atomy. Very minimal pong nangyayari yan. So we have the order number to report to the customer service of Atomy Philippines. Alright, so based here in the delivery tracking, okay, so lalagay po yan dyan and it says here products are coming soon. Kapag naman darating na yung products or na-deliver ng products, lalabas po dyan ay delivered. Alright? So maganda yan kasi nalalaman natin, nata-track down natin what's going on with our orders. You can also check here shipment tracking. Ayan, parehas lang din po yan on the side. Dito po muna tayo sa Education Center. So when we click that one, ayan. So, makikita po natin ang center directory all over the Philippines. So, right now, there's a total of 115 education center all over the Philippines. Ayan. So, you can check their operating hours, sino po yung center head, the telephone number, cell phone number, and the address. And also, if they have a social media account. Okay, so you just click this one. If they have available Facebook account, so then, it leads you to their centers page. So, syempre, don't forget to check the Atomy Silang Atom-I Center. I think so we are on the 105. Ayan, Silang Atom-I Center. Ayan. This is our code of our center, P391. And this is our address, phone number, and who's the center head. And then our opening hours. So, meron po kaming Facebook account. Ayan. So, let's click this one. And it brings you to our centers page. Ayan. So, make sure that you follow and like our page to get updated with our announcements, our activities. Ayan. So, that's the Education Center is all about. Now, let's talk about the resources. Ayan. So, this is where you can find all the forms, all the announcements, okay, all the important documents that we need in performing our Atomy business. Ayan po, so makikita ninyo yan, ayan yung mga application for reservation sa ating Atomy Philippines seminars, ayan, yung mga success tour, application, ayan, makikita natin. Ngayon, ito pong PNB endorsement letter is very helpful if you're opening your PNB bank account for your commission. Meron pong dalawang bank accredited si Atomy for releasing our commission. So that's the BDO and PNB. So if you have this endorsement letter from PNB, you get to open your PNB account in such a small opening fee, no? 100 pesos lang po. Basta meron kang endorsement letter. Alright? And you can also download this Atomy product leaflet. So, let's just try this one. Yan, importante yan kasi we have a material that we can present to our partners, to our customers, to our prospects. Ayan. So, you just download it or print it. Okay? So, ayan po. Kakatuwa kasi may guide ka na. Ayan. Soft copy po ito ng ating leaflet. Although, meron din pong brochure that you can buy. Okay? Ayan. Available po sa ating website. 250 pesos with 20 pieces na po yan. Okay? Alright. And then, also, meron din pong Ayan, dito din natin makikita. Ayan, yung education center guide. Kung gusto niyo po magkaroon ng sarili niyong education center. Alright, so let's say meron po kayong gustong malaman na legit ba si Atomy. Okay, ayan, makikita natin yung DSAP accreditation letter. Alright, and also, makikita din natin dito sa resources yan. Okay, yung mga ayan, product price list. Yan. So, let's see this one. Okay. So, you can download this as well and have it printed. This is your price list, okay? That you can take it with you sa mga presentation. Alright? Hindi yung tanong ka ng tanong sa sponsor mo, ma, magkano ba yung ganito? Ma, magkano ba yung ganyan? Diba? Siyempre, we are business owners. We do the business. So, dapat kumpleto tayo ng ating mga materials. Okay, and then if you want to become a speaker in Atomy Philippines, so you can apply this. Yeah, okay, fill up this form, the speaker application form. Ngayon, halimbawa, gusto mo namang you're doing a return and exchange request. So we have a form for that, as well as cancel and refund form. Alright? So, ayan naman sa mga nagtatanong, FDA accredited ba yan? Legit ba ang mga Atomy products? Yes, we have documents to show that. Ayan, you can choose this, license to operate as cosmetic importer. Ayan, meron ding food importer, yan mapagkain natin. So, we have the certificates from FDA, Food and Drugs Administration. Okay? Ngayon, kung halimbawa naman, gusto mong ipa-terminate ang iyong membership account. So, we have a form there as well. But I strongly suggest that you really think 1,000 times to terminate your membership in Atomy. Okay, and then, ayan po, line change form. So, halimbawa, minsan nagkamali po ng pag-i-encode, ano? Imbes na ilalagay sa right or sa left, okay, nagkamali po, no, ng pagdudugtungan. So, there's this line change form to change the line, okay, sa lineage. Now, let's go to this marketing plan. So, dito po naman makikita natin ang explanation ng compensation plan ni Atomy. Okay, so all we need to do is just read this one. It's detailed, very easy to understand. Ayan. So, ayan po, no? So, kompleto po si Atomy to learn about our business. Now, another thing that we're going to talk about with the latest update here in our website is the joining us or the registration of new partners or new members. So, pag kinlik po natin itong join us, okay, makikita po ninyo dito ang 3 options when you join Atomy. So, we have the consumer, distributor, or the global membership registration. So, dito po sa consumer, for Filipinos and foreigners who are 18 years old and above and wishing to purchase for personal use. So, ito po yung mga user lang po ng Atomy products, okay? So, kapag consumer po kayo, the information needed are just the basic details. So, let's say, click po natin yan, register. Alright, so of course, you will agree with this member agreement. And then the code of ethics, ayan po, maganda basahin po natin dyan kasi nakikita po dyan yung mga dapat na rules na sinusunod po natin, ano po, to guide us in doing the business ethically and morally, okay? And of course, in general terms and conditions, mga privacy and security, so we need to read that, and after you read it, okay, so i-check lang po natin, you can either check all agree, or isa-isahin nyo po yan, ano po, na i-check. Alright. And then, we confirm and then we go to the filling up of the membership form. So, ito po, no? Ito yung mga information needed for the consumer member category. So, we have the basic information like your name, middle name, surname, and of course, your gender, your nationality, and then your date of birth, mobile number, address, zip code, and your email address. Dati po kasi when you register, there's only 2 options, the distributor and the global membership. Wala pong consumer. But now, effective August 28, 2024, this is the latest update in our Atomy Philippines website. Meron na pong consumer category that people can choose in case they just want to buy purchase the products for personal consumption. Okay po? So, hindi na kailangan ng TIN or ng birth certificate number. Okay? Pag consumer member po. Pag consumer member ka naman, you just enjoy the products, pero hindi ka po mag-generate ng downline PVs, yung mga group PVs niyo po, no? So, hindi mo po yan may enjoy. Therefore, you will not be qualified to earn commission here. But it's okay kasi you can always change from consumer into distributor anytime, anywhere, as long as you do the necessary procedure. Okay, punta naman tayo dito sa pangalawang category, which is the distributor. So kapag distributor po ang pinili natin, so this is for Filipinos and foreigners who are 18 years old and above with valid ID and wishing to earn commission from their purchases. So if we click this one, ayan, the same with all these need to be read and agreed upon. So we just click this one. All right. So confirm. And nandito po yung mga basic information na needed in registration and then yung TIN. Okay po? So dito po sa distributor papasok yung TIN requirement. So once again, you fill up your information like your name, middle name, and last name, your gender, your nationality. Ayan po, makikita ninyo yung TIN. Alright? But ngayon po, once you register under the distributor category, right there and then, when you register, you will also verify your TIN. Okay? So, maganda po siya kasi naka-ready na agad ang iyong account for commission. Okay? So, kapag distributor po ang pinili natin, this account is qualified to earn commission kasi ma-generate din niya or ma-enjoy din niya ang mga points from the group. Okay? And of course, subject to qualification based on your personal points. Alright, and of course, to learn more about this, we have a separate video that you can watch to learn more about this topic. And yung global membership, ayan, these are the foreigners living abroad, 20 years and older. So ito po yung mga countries na wala pa pong Atomy branch, okay? But they can start registering under this global membership registration. Now, with the latest update in our website, meron na ring feature where when you log in and you earn a commission, meron pong pop-up announcement, di ba? So, nakakatuwa yan. So, let me show you what I'm trying to say. So, once this account logged in, ayan, yan po yung sinasabi ko, no? May notice na nagpa-pop up. Alright, it says, congratulations, you have commissions to collect. Please update below information in order to receive the commission. So, ano pong aayusin ng i-update? Your bank account information and the distributor verification. So, ito po yung TIN. Alright? Once you register distributor category, you will verify your TIN right away. Okay? So, eto na. So, meron ng commission. Yay! Congratulations to our partner. Alright? This is her first commission. So, what we're gonna do is just update. Ayan po, ano? So, ayan. And then, ayan. It says here, upload TIN verification. So, ayan po, no? So, i-choose lang natin yung file. Says here, upload ID or TIN verification, which ito yung TIN ID card po, ano? Okay? Or any proof of TIN, like halimbawa sa BIR, okay? Ngayon, halimbawa, wala po kayo niyan, wala po kayong TIN card mismo, then you can upload additional documents such as proof of TIN and one valid ID listed below. Ano yung mga valid ID? It could be national ID, your Philippine passport, driver's license, PRC ID, SSS, GSIS, or UMID ID. Pwede rin ang Pag-ibig ID, PhilHealth, Postal, Voters ID, Senior Citizen ID, or Employee Company ID, and School ID. Okay, so ayan po, no? Upload na natin yan. So, confirm lang po natin. Ayan, updating complete. So, i-okay lang po natin yan. So, it says here, verification in progress. The status of your verification will be received via email. Kaya importante po na pag nire-register po natin ang ating mga partners, we use their active email address, okay? After 3 to 5 days, for the verification of the PIN. And then, syempre, i-update na rin natin ang ating bank. So, what you're gonna do is just change this one and then select the bank. So, there's two banks accepted for our commission. So, we have the BDO and PNB. So, kung meron na po kayo existing na BDO account, so all you need to do is just select this one and provide the account number. Alright? And then, i-confirm mo lang po yan. Okay po? Kung hindi naman BDO, then you can select PNB and then you type in your account number and then confirm. Everything goes smooth and well. Then, next Tuesday, ayan, darating na ang commission sa ATM mo. So, congratulations sa ating mga partners na nagkaroon ng commission just by using the Atomy products, switching their brands and their mark. Alright? So, this is where you make your spendings into earnings. So, basically, that's how you navigate your Atomy website, your Atomy online shopping mall using the browser. And I hope you learned a lot from this lecture. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about Atomy. And of course, if you find this very valuable and informative, feel free to share this to your partners, to your friends, to your prospects. Once again, this is Diamond Master Clarita Goltiana Ruiz, Centerhead of Silang Atom Eye Center. Have a great day, everyone, and see you at the top. Aja!